My Adventures. Today I'm going to be talking about different facts from a book called Why Don't Fish Drown? It's a library book and I've had it for long and I finished it. Why don't fish drown? First, let's start off with humans and why humans can easily drown. Humans only extract oxygen from the air, not the water, so it's easier for humans to drown. But on the other hand, fish use their gills to extract oxygen from the water, so that's why they don't drown. But however, fish can actually drown if there's not enough oxygen in the water. And that's that. What does woof mean? Woof is a dog sound and dogs use it to try and communicate together. Other animals make sounds to try and communicate together. Where did the dinosaurs go? And dinosaurs lived until scientists thought that there was a big asteroid in the sky that blocked the sun, which didn't help the plants to grow, and the plant-eating animals died as well as the meat-eating animals who fed on them. Why don't animals brush their teeth? Animals don't really brush their teeth because they don't do the same tooth decay like us. Yes, and if you were a hippo, you'd have fish, they would come to pick out dirt and bugs from your teeth. The fish get a meal, the hippo gets a clean. Would you like your teeth to be cleaned by fish? Let me know in the comments below. Why don't humans have tails? To tell you, actually, humans don't have tails, but if you look at a skeleton, there is a tailbone. It's because we evolved from monkey-like animals who had tails. And instead of it being long and curly like monkey animals, our tails are like down curved tails. And yes, so they do have tails, but you can't really see it normally. Would you like to have a tail, for real? Let me know in the comments. Bye, keep reading. Enjoy your day.